Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Casio A-163 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time and date. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode where the watch basically tells the time, press the mode button over here once, twice, 3 times, and when the seconds begin to flash, that is an indicator that we are in the setting position. Now the seconds are flashing, indicating that we are in the position of setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value to 0 simply by pressing this button over here, and it will reset to 0. Once done with seconds, press the upper left button, the light button, and the hours begin to flash. To set the hour value, press the lower right button and you will shuffle between the values of 0 to 24 since the watch is currently set to 24-hour time format. I'm gonna set it to 22 o'clock since that is my time zone. Next up, once you're done with hours, press the upper left button and the flashing moves on to our minutes value. Currently in my time zone it is 35 minutes. And I'm gonna press this button over here until I get it to 35. If your time is way out of the preset time over here, press and hold the button and it will engage fast rotation. When you release the button, the fast rotation will stop, and then you can micro adjust it by pressing the button in increments of 1. Once you set your minutes value, press the upper left button and flashing moves on to our month setting. Now we are in the position of setting our month value. Each number corresponds to 1 month, so number first is January, February, March, and so on. So currently we are in the month of December, and I'm gonna leave it at number 12. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the upper left button, and we can see that number 3 over here is flashing, indicating that we are in the position of setting our date. Today is 15th of December, so I'm gonna press the lower right button until I get it to number 15. And once done with that, I'm gonna press the light button and my flashing moves on to our day setting. Over here I have FR indicating Friday, but today is Thursday, and I'm gonna press the lower right button until I get it to Thursday. Once done with that, I'm gonna press the upper left button and we are back at the beginning and setting our seconds value, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting our time and date. Now to implement the settings, simply press the mode button once. The beep is the representation that we have implemented our time and date and that we are back in the standard timekeeping mode. What is left to say? Well, you can switch between your 12-hour and 24-hour time format by pressing this button whilst you are in the standard timekeeping mode, and you will also have the indicator, so 10 p.m. or 22 o'clock. That was the how to set the time and date video on the Casio A-163. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.